Hello Toastmaster, how are you all? So, today I am explaining you the role of table topic master. As you know, table topic is very important part of our meeting because everyone is waiting for the table topic because over there they get a chance to speak. As you experience, whenever the table topic start, people raise their hand like this, I want to speak, I want to speak. So, according to me, table topic master is a very important part of the meeting. I'll give you some tips how you can improve upon this and go through this. The first point I'll say that choose your topic wisely. Make sure the topic is connected with the audience. For an example, if I told you you can speak on your life, or you can say give two experience from your life, or you can choose another topic like tell me something about your school days. So at least you have 1 to 2 minutes to speak on this. And make sure these topics connect with the audience. This is the only reason people connect and speak on this. Sometimes you feel that members are not able to deliver it or guests are not able to deliver it. They usually talk for 30 to 40 seconds and they stop. Encourage them to speak more. Whenever they stop in between, encourage them to speak more. When you encourage, they feel special. They feel that people are here to help me out to increase my confidence level and my communication skill and public speaking skills as well. And moreover, give chance to guest, our potential Toastmaster, because on every meeting somebody get some roles to play. Somebody are speaking over there, somebody takes evaluation, somebody take the role of timer, counter and grammarian. But in the table topic, we mostly give chance to guests. Guests come and speak over there, so there is more chances to convert in our club as a member. As members come to our club, our strength increase and our club is eligible for one more DCP goals as well. And in the end, you can leave the table topic master with a note. You can say in the end, this is from my side, and do attend this meeting in future to improve your skills, impromptu speaking skills, and available in every meeting. So this is according to me what I explained the table topic master. Thank you so much.